In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use BDO Card Abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your BDO Card Abroad is extremely simple. BDO offers its customers the convenience of using the debit cards internationally, and you will be able to do it most likely just like you would in your own home country. So all that you have to do is first make sure that your card is allowed to make foreign transactions. You can either call them or use the latest version of their mobile app. In there, you will be able to see if the card is allowed to be used in international transactions. And as long as the card is allowed to make foreign transactions, you will be able to use it abroad without any issues. It's as simple as using it normally. So if you are doing a purchase online, you just have to present the card number, expiration date, and security code. And if you are using it in person, you just have to do a contactless payment, swipe it, and so on. You just have to make sure that the card is authorized for foreign transfers. The best way to do this is to talk to them over the phone. If your card is not allowed to be used foreign or in international transactions, then the best course of action is to acquire a new one, either from BDO themselves or from a different bank. And as long as this option is authorized, you will be good to go to use it foreignly. So be aware of any possible fees. BDO may charge a fee for converting currency and processing international fees. It is recommended that you convert the currency before traveling. If you convert the currency on your own, you aren't going to be met with surprise fees. And if you try to withdraw money from any ATMs available in the foreign country, there might also be fees included. So be aware of that, especially if you are using an ATM from a non-affiliated bank. But as long as you do your own currency transactions and you make sure that the card is allowed to be used internationally, you just have to use it as a standard debit card, just like you would normally. I hope I was able to help you on how to use BDO debit card abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.